First of all, very good morning, Miss Pinky. Hope you're doing absolutely well.
Yeah, good evening. Sorry, good morning. Good morning. I'm doing well. Thank you for asking. You tell me, how have you been today?
I'm been really great and very excited to be part of the session. Because it is, I think, very first time we are talking. So I would love to know
Yeah,
about you.
okay. But first, I want to tell you, I am eagerly waiting for you because it is my first experience. I'm joining someone on Zoom application. So
Okay.
it is quite like a new experience for me.
Mm-hmm.
So, okay, my name is Pinky, and I hail from Punjab. I am postgraduated in Hindi literature. I'm homemaker, and I'm part-time working as a beautician. And nowadays, I'm working on my communication skills. I have a lot of hobbies, and one of them is writing. I write poems. Yeah, that's all about me.
Okay, you're from Punjab, right? I mean, uh,
Yeah.
I I listen Punjabi songs many times. Nowadays, I'm developing interest on that as well. So it's really,
Mhm.
energetic and the way I believe that Punjabi people, they're very expressive while talking. Is it the right thing?
Yeah, it is means totally right. We are a extrovert
Express.
and very cool by nature, and
Yeah,
we are too foodie.
yeah. Yeah. Food is also something that I forgot to mention. So yeah. So
Mhm.
are you a foodie?
Yeah, I am big foodie.
Okay. What's your like favorite dishes? Would you mind sharing?
Mm, I can eat anything except non-veg.
Okay.
I love parathas. Means every morning we start with parathas.
Okay. Breakfast
Our
is
big
paratha.
breakfast. Yeah, paratha, different variety of paratha.
Okay, okay. So you must be good at cooking, I guess.
Yeah, because my mother was good at cooking, so that's why I
Okay.
am too.
All right. That's fantastic, Miss Pinky. So let me come on my introduction, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So as you can see over the screen, I'm Priyanka Kushwaha and I'm connecting to you from Madhya Pradesh. At present, I'm living in my hometown. And when it comes to my education, so I'm in my master's, second year of MBA with a specialization of marketing and finance. And apart from
Hmm.
this, I'm running my YouTube channel, which is all about spoken English conversation. And along with that, if I talk about my hobbies, so I like to read books and self-help book, I can say. And dancing is also one of my hobbies. So that's all about me.
Yeah, I have watched your one of video today, like itself, like you can say 30 minutes ago with the English CRE tutor, one of
Okay.
English CRE tutors. So yeah,
Okay.
I
Which one?
enjoyed your conversation.
May I know which one?
I don't rem I don't remember a tutor name, but she is from Kerala. She's very
Okay.
beautiful and her accent was quite well. Yeah.
Okay. That's great. All right. So you tell me about your English journey a little as we are here for the session.
I have mentioned a lot of time, so there is nothing. I am self-motivated and I am quite inquisitive person. I thought, okay, it is basic knowledge, we should know about it. And like, however, there is no need to like improve my English because I don't want to do like anything because I told you my background is beautician, okay? So
Okay.
yeah,
Beauty.
yeah. So yeah, I just want to, I am quite passionate towards English because,
Mhm.
initially I was not that much interested towards English, but by the time I'm just started taking interest and I'm into books as well. Even I haven't thought ever like I would be able to read anything in English or I would become English speaker or a bookworm person. But now I am just enjoying my journey.
Okay.
Yeah.
So where did this interest come from? As you said, of course, it is a need, no doubt. But how you initially started speaking?
I started like what do you want to know exactly?
I mean, actually, when did you start? Like very first time you had a conversation, or this is your first time conversation? What?
On YouTube or audio call?
Not anything for that matter.
Both, both. Okay, in the month of December. In the month of December 2023, I started my journey through audio call,
Okay.
and as well as I started listening to like Korean dramas. I developed at that time like interest into like Korean dramas. That's how I developed my interest towards English. And after a couple of months, I started reading as well because in that time I used to watch a lot of YouTubers. They used to like still they tell us reading is very important aspect if you want to learn any language. So I
Yeah.
started learning, and yeah, now I'm enjoying everything.
First of all, as you mentioned, one more thing that you're a beautician, right? So, how you get into this profession? You're working as a professional beautician?
Yeah, I used to working, but I quit it because of some reason. I had some health issues, but now I'm doing freelancing on and off.
Okay, on and off. So, like, how, please tell me your work a little because it is completely a different background of yours. So, I'm intrigued to know about how a beautician, a life look like.
Means, what do you want to know? I'm not getting you. What do you want to know exactly? Beautician.
I mean, how is your schedule look like? Do you as you said, you work as a freelancer, right? You work your
Mm-hmm.
own clients, you have your clients, and you just work with them. So, how
Okay.
you how is your day look like in this schedule as a freelancer?
Okay. Got you. Okay.
Yeah.
Got you. But nowadays, I'm not working because of my health issue. I am into like rest most of time. And if you talk about like how I'm doing like freelancing, sometimes clients come and out of the blue, and at that time we have to stop my work immediately, whether I'm working in kitchen, whether I'm rolling up chapatis and all. I have to attend them, okay?
Yeah.
And if someone wants makeup or hairstyling for particular party at that time, we fix timing, and according to them I get my free time, and I get ready myself uh, to do my work. So that's
Okay.
how. And sometime I have to go out some, and I'm mehndi artist too. So sometime clients come without informing. When they get to know, okay, I'm mehndi artist. So they
Mhm.
they come, and I have to like do my work. Like if
Mhm.
you are working, if you are a homemaker, then you have to like quit your everything, every work, whatever you are going to do, or whatever you are doing at the same time, right? So
Yes,
it
absolutely.
happens. Yeah, yeah. That is the different thing if you are working somewhere. So I used to work somewhere. Okay, at that time there is a certain time I have to go there, and I have to come that time. So there is a no time. Okay, whatever I have to complete any household chores, I can complete in like prior to my that timing, right? If
Yeah.
I want to go to my work at 9, then I have to complete my work at before 9. So yeah,
Yeah, it's absolutely
there
right.
are some pros and cons.
But I
Yeah.
believe that when you work as a freelancer, you have like your own comfort. Like it is, as you said, that your clients comes anytime, so that's fine.
Hmm.
But other than that, you have control. Okay, anytime you can say that no, I can't do this because it's in your hand. You are the boss of your work. But when you work
Yeah.
under someone, it is completely different thing.
Yeah, and sometimes there is a one more thing, like if someone is needed like immediately makeup or hairstyling immediately, at that time we can charge like extra. So that
Mhm.
is the one more thing,
Okay.
beneficial thing.
So how
Yeah.
long you have been working as a beautician?
When I was 18, at that time I learned this work, and since then I'm working, and most of thing I learned from YouTube. The
Okay.
way I am learning English, and I have learned a lot of things from YouTube. You can say I am the one who are taking advantage from YouTube a lot, seriously.
That's
Because
great.
yeah, like from whom I am learning at that time, she didn't teach me like most of things like makeup or latest thing. So I
Mhm.
learned from YouTube itself. Yeah.
Okay, that's great. And at present, people should, make the most out of it because we have the resources, we have the access of technology, and we
Yeah.
have YouTube videos, so we can master anything. What do you think?
Yeah, but there is a different thing if we get guidance, right?
Okay. So, other than English and beautician, like work, any other priorities do you have, or any hobbies as such?
I have a lot of hobbies. I didn't mention. I love singing
Okay.
and I love sketching and painting, and I love talking to people with, especially with stranger. And I am keen to learn new things.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So, when it comes to you said,
So I,
yeah, please go
yeah,
ahead.
sorry.
Yeah, please
No,
continue.
no, you go on, please. Yeah, I was saying I really love to make over myself. That is the other thing. I'm not putting a lot of makeup into this session because I'm not well as we should be presentable according to time and situation. Okay, right?
Hmm.
So yeah,
Absolutely.
yeah, yeah,
One thing
you were
more,
saying so.
one thing more I would like to emphasize. I really like, when you mentioned that 11 a.m. So sharp 11 a.m. you join the meeting. It's really, very like you join very promptly. Plus, I really like, punctual people because even I also don't like to waste anyone's time, not a single minute. If because of me, if
Yeah.
their time is wasted, so it feels really bad. But that's really
Mhm.
appreciated that you join on time, sharp timing.
Yeah, thank you so much. Even I want to be thankful for you because you also joined on same time because I'm not into like wasting anyone's time because I'm quite like right now nowadays I'm quite busy person. Every like single minute is quite important for me nowadays.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. I can understand because you have so many priorities. You're a housewife, working person, plus you have other hobbies as well. So we have to make time for everything.
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay. You tell me. Okay. Sorry. I was
that's fine.
saying, like anything exciting today for you, and yeah, I got to know from your video, you are into like a organization, like you are into to-do list. Like, have you done your
Yeah,
like
it's my
something
to-do
in your
list.
do list?
I have my to-do list every day.
Yeah.
Well, it is something I have to organize myself. This is my to-do list. These are tasks you can see. Only one trick is there. I mean, I
Okay.
just finished one regular session at 10 a.m. I
Mm-hmm.
session
Mm-hmm.
with Miss Arya. She is my regular learner. And within 15 minutes, I just went downstairs to help my mother. Just 15 minutes, one work I did, and I came here for
Mm-hmm.
session.
Mm-hmm.
This is how.
Okay, somewhere we are like-minded. You make your to-do list, but I make to-do list in my mind.
Yeah.
Okay, whatever I have to do it, I just do it. No one can stop me. So that's how I am.
Yeah, but that's great. I mean, it's completely up to the person. I mean, I have to
Yeah.
get a right meeting, like timing with proper timing, because I don't want to be late or maybe because of me, if some people are facing problem, like what if they join before me? So that's completely, very disheartening.
Mhm.
So that's why I write and I
Yeah.
have my workout. YouTube is also there. So I have to check that. I have to reply to mails, like mails I received. So many things. So it's better to write everything I cannot recall, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, so that's why.
Okay. So so I have a question for you. Do you like teach as well?
Yes, I do. At present, I have my regular learners too. So I just try to guide them what all I can. We have different type of learners. Uh, I mean,
Mm-hmm.
basic, advanced, or some like only for daily conversation. Some people want them to be at least, consistent with their practice. So they try to, we have session notes and everything. So that's how I teach.
Okay. So do you like conduct a paid session or
Yeah, it is a paid. I mean,
like
regular
some?
sessions are paid. I mean, how I can like completely, daily basis. I have 7 to 8 sessions. Today I have 7 sessions. So that's how, I mean, for YouTubers, like sometimes when collaboration happens, so it's not a charge. I don't charge for them because as we are also joining, so it's like a collaboration. But on the other hand, when someone
Mm-hmm.
wants to join me on a regular basis for guidance or for complete, grammar or completion of their concepts,
Mm-hmm.
so I charge for them.
Okay, that's
Yeah.
great. Okay.
All right.
While this session, I got to know you're quite a happy person. Happy. I really love happy people. I admire them.
That's great.
Yeah.
We should be happy, right? When we're happy,
Yeah.
automatically we spread the positivity and good vibes around us. So that's why
Yeah.
it doesn't matter like how much
Yeah.
work you have. You should feel happy. You should, I mean, just be happy in that zone only.